Hey you guys, it's Tony. So Doggy, like I told you guys, I am using that reverse MACD that's not really focused on giving me buy signals, more so sell signals right now. And like I told you guys, it's been relatively accurate, but I mean it doesn't matter on Dogecoin because we don't know what's gonna happen, right? But if this was if this was a stock or any other, like this was a currency that I was trading, like a forex currency, this would be a perfect sell. I would take this sell all day long, every single time, no questions about it. It just finished retesting tops right here, and this would indicate a perfect. This is what you would call a perfect sell right now. But this is Dogecoin. We don't know what's gonna happen. We need to make sure that's my baby. But we need to see what's actually gonna happen with Dogecoin, because after this cross right here, after we just crossed right here, and the stochastic is creating those tops, we need to monitor what Doggy is actually going to do in the next couple of hours. Is Doggy actually going to start trading down, or is it going to go sideways? That's what we need to really figure out. If Dogecoin breaks 40 cents and it just shoots up, completely disregard this TA and focus on the next level of fib, which is 53 cents. But if for the next couple of hours Dogecoin starts trading sideways or starts going down a little bit, that's how you know that we have a problem. I'll see you guys later.